Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this quick and easy DIY which honestly anyone can do in no time and with bare minimum supplies. This technique has been around for quite some time and I thought of giving it a try, and I must say that it's totally worth it. So without further ado, let's start creating. I started off by using this 12 by 16 inch canvas and divided the canvas diagonally using a masking tape. Make sure that it is cutting the corners properly to get that clean finish. While choosing a canvas, try and use something through which your needle can pass through easily, for which these kinds of canvas with wooden backing are the best. Next, paint any of the sides with any color of your liking. I chose to go with black acrylic color. I gave it a nice 2 good coating of the black paint. Remove the tape, and as you can see, I am not good with painting with masking tapes. My colors usually bleed through the tape. I don't know why. If you got any tips on how to avoid this bleeding, then please share them with me. I desperately need them. Anyways, I then covered the edge of the black side with the masking tape again and painted the other side with some white acrylic paint. Again, this was way terrible than before. And as I said, I'm just horrible with it, but I corrected it by some freehand painting on the bleeding sides. Then I used this image that I got from Pinterest and fixed it on the canvas using some masking tape again, making sure that it is properly aligned in the center. Next, I used a safety pin and started to trace my image on the canvas. You can use any thick needle to do this step. Try and make the holes at uniform distance so that you can get a cleaner look. Remove the image and start your embroidery. So for this purpose, use the regular backstitch way of embroidery. That is, start from any end, bring your thread from the back to the front, go one hole forward, then skip a stitch length and go through the back again. But now instead of moving forward, move back a stitch, going down into the same hole from that last stitch. Since you're not working on a regular cloth for this kind of stitching, so you cannot see the holes properly. Hence, you will have to keep flipping the canvas to see your next stitch, which could be a pain in the beginning, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes easy. To get a smoother stitch around the curves, try and make smaller stitches around them. When you reach the edge of where the two colors meet, change it to white thread and start backstitch with your white thread. To sum it up, split your canvas with the masking tape, paint the canvas with colors of your liking, trace your image and choose the threads in the same color as your choice of paint, and while stitching, stitch with using a thread of the opposite color of your paint to get that contrast effect. And that's it. Your embroidery on canvas is complete. You can try this with any kind of image, but for better results, use an image that has clear marked lines and curves, or you can use one of those line drawings for this purpose. This can be a great DIY that you can do with your kids, and you can make cool designs for their rooms, or it can be an amazing gift for your loved ones. And the best part is that you can use any regular thread for this purpose, but make sure that it is visible on the canvas. The total cost of this project for me was $384. That was the price of the thread that I bought using some store discount, and the canvas was a gift which I had for some time. Let me know what you think of this quick and easy DIY. If you liked it, then show your love by hitting that like button, and if DIYs is your thing, or in general if you want to see new budget-friendly tips and tricks to get the most out of your regular stuff by converting them into fun artsy projects, then please subscribe to my channel and click the bell to know when I post my future videos. Thank you so much for joining me. Hope you all have a great weekend. Please take care and stay safe.